Tibetan secret. This remedy eliminates any infection in your body. Results in 24 hours. Infections in the body should not always be treated with different antibiotics. Today you can find many natural remedies and try to kill infections with them. The reason the Master Tonic is so powerful is because all ingredients are fresh and are designed to stimulate blood circulation to help detoxification in the bloodstream. Garlic is a broad-spectrum antibiotic that destroys all types of bacteria. While man-made antibiotics kill the good bacteria the body needs, garlic only kills bad bacteria. It even increases healthy bacteria. Onions have a potent diuretic capacity, antibiotic and anti-inflammatory properties. They are rich in quercetin, which has been shown to help prevent heart disease by stopping cholesterol. Horseradish is naturally antibacterial and antiparasitic, and stimulates the immune system. It acts as an expectorant, making it a potent herb for the sinuses and lungs. It helps open up the nasal passages and increases circulation there, which is where cold and common flu commonly begin. Ginger stimulates the immune system. It can help with chills, colds and fever. Spicy peppers can also help stimulate the immune system, act as a natural decongestant, and have heating properties. Unfiltered organic apple vinegar is often used as a healthy product, as well. It has antioxidant, antibacterial, antifungal and anti-inflammatory effects. It's good for the digestive system, too. Ingredients. All ingredients should be fresh, preferably organic. 1 chopped organic garlic. 1 chopped organic white onion. 1 root ginger root. 1 zest of horseradish root. 1 chopped fresh cayenne, habanero, serrano, jalapeno, etc. Unfiltered organic apple cider vinegar. Honey, to taste. Preparation. 1. Chop and grate all these ingredients. 2. Fill a glass jar about 3/4 of these ingredients prepared. You can use any size of the glass jar. 3. Cover all ingredients to the top of the jar with apple cider vinegar. 4. Shake the closed jar to mix all together. 5. This drink should be stored in a dark, dry place and shake in vials once a day for 2 weeks. 6. Place a strainer over a bowl covered with gauze. 7. Paste the mixture and this list. 8. Take 1 tablespoon 5 times a day.